Istanbul, a city where history whispers through every street. From Byzantium to Constantinople, now Istanbul, it's a bridge between worlds. Founded in 660 BCE, it quickly became a trade hub. In 330 CE, Constantine made it the Roman Empire's capital. The Byzantine era saw the rise of Hagia Sophia and cultural splendor. 1453 marked a new chapter with the Ottoman conquest. Istanbul flourished with art, architecture, and commerce. Today, it's a vibrant blend of history and modern life. Have you visited? What's your favorite historical site? Share in the comments and subscribe for more history adventures.